To address the Maytag dishwasher error code F6E1, it's essential to understand what this code signifies. The display of code F6E1 indicates a malfunction in the dishwasher's user interface communication. Several factors can cause this error, including faults in the appliance's electrical components. To resolve this issue, a hard restart of the appliance is recommended as the initial solution. This involves disconnecting the appliance from the main supply outlet or, for hardwired appliances, turning off the circuit breaker at the electrical panel that powers the dishwasher. After waiting approximately 1 minute, the appliance can be reconnected to the power supply, which may clear minor electrical faults interfering with the user interface's normal functioning. If the hard restart does not resolve the issue, servicing the user interface PCB may be necessary. However, this is a technical process that should only be performed by qualified personnel. In such cases, it is advisable to contact the Maytag service team for further assistance.